Hare Krishna. I'm going to relate an incident that happened here in Australia just a few weeks ago. It happened at 5:30 in the morning, about 5 o'clock in the morning. At that time, it was very dark outside, even though it's summertime here in Australia, and it was raining very heavily. It was raining, as they say in the United States, cats and dogs, and it was raining, it was bucketing down, as they say in Australia. Anyway, during this heavy rain, I walked down a ramp from the temple. It was about a 100-foot long downhill ramp, and very cautiously I walked down it with the person who was driving my car, and I got into, he opened the door for me in what I thought was my car. It was, my real car was parked next to it, but this seemingly my car was the same color, the same model, made in the same year, and it looked exactly the same in all respects, interior and exterior. And then when my driver, after sitting down in his seat, tried to put the key in the ignition to start it, he realized that it was the wrong car, and he said that to me. So I dutifully got out of what I thought was my car, and we went to the car next to it, which was my own real car, a Toyota, the same as the one that I thought was my car. And then we drove down to the Goshala, and everything was ended peacefully. Hare Krishna.